Well, g'day guys, and well, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you out there. I thought I would just do a little bit of a Christmas Eve, Christmas Day wish, and thank every single person out there that has watched my videos and, well, got some pleasure out of them and subscribed. Thank you so much. And thank you to so many people. There's too many to mention at the moment for super thanks. There's some really good super thanks and coffees. Thank you so much for helping with the channel. A lot of this work is my own stuff. I'll show you that one in a minute. And, well, I like to show you how we go about getting it back as it was, and a lot of the time that involves parts and, well, time, the editing, the gear to edit, the cameras, the lights, everything costs money to keep things rolling on the channel, and every single cent helps. So thank you so much. And your likes also mean a lot. If you give me a thumbs up, it means the channel gets, well, spread out more with YouTube. I don't know how the algorithms work, but works on the likes, and well, works on lots of things, but the likes are a very important part of getting the video out there and for getting it into YouTube world. And for the 1 to 2 people, which is, we know who you are, that always give me the thumbs down on almost every video, that still counts. So thank you for visiting my channel. Even though it's a thumbs down, we don't care. It adds to the numbers and it helps my YouTube. Everything. So it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down, doesn't matter. If you and if you give me a thumbs down, a word of advice, tell me why. If you don't like the videos, but I think there's another reason behind that one. Now, Christmas time's here. This is Christmas Eve today, and I'm recording this a little bit late, but I'll be going away on holidays on the 27th, and we'll be away for a couple of weeks, so just going to the coast and having a bit of a break. But the videos won't stop. I've got a few in line there that are a bit interesting. Some are a bit strange and different, but I'm sure some people out there will like them. So the videos will continue. Now, this is one of my own babies. This is an AWA from very early. I'm not real sure of I acquired this a long time ago. A beautiful little super duper, super sensitive world radio. We're going to restore this back to how it was. I'm not going to do too much with the cabinet. It's a leather, vinyl or leather. It looks a bit like leather. It's stitched and everything. So the case is not that good. I want it to keep originality exactly how it is. So there you go, guys. There's one little project that we'll be doing. So, and she's a big one, and it's got all sorts of things: radio, phono, internal, external, aerial, and of course phono input. Yeah, you can put Bluetooth in this, but no, AM, super fringe, AM, long distance. She's a DX set, this, and shortwave. No Bluetooth in this one. So there you go. And another thing we're going to have a crack at, well, not a crack at, I used to do hundreds of these. some CBs. Why don't we do some CBs? Now I've got here probably for the new year, probably one of the worst CBs for reliability ever made, a Fairmate. Okay, these things just didn't stay going. They were terrible, terrible sets. But let's dive into it and see why they were terrible. What's wrong with this? We've got books on these, we've got circuits, everything. As I said, I used to sell these. I used to do hundreds of them. Goes back a long, long, long way, back into the early 80s, late 70s, with AMCB, when you could work a bit of skip with AMCB. And this little fella, little CB, he looks pretty awful. Let's get him going. It's a little Amor AM, and I would love to restore these. Mind you, I have about, I don't know, 50, 60 vintage CBs, dating right back until the early 70s, right up until the later stuff. And there's also the newer 800 meg FM CBs, which never took off. But there's one here somewhere, so I'll find it for you as well. Righto, well, that's just a few things that we'll touch on in the new year. But as I said, we'll be away for a couple of weeks. So until then, Merry, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I hope you have a really, really fantastic holiday, a break, whatever you're having, whatever you're doing, make it special. And just make the most of what you've got. Okay? It's been fantastic sharing my life with you guys. Thank you so much. And we'll see you on the next one. But I'll be back live probably about mid-January. Okay. Bye for now, guys.